Hi everyone, it's Coach Cheryl here again, and I'm here to talk about how to be or how to become a US estimator. That's the question I've been getting for the past few days now. Well, actually, not past few days, but since I started doing estimates training, and ngayon lang ako magkakaroon ng chance na sagutin yon. Okay, so sa mga kapwa ko engineer and architect here in TikTok, I know how interested you are to join the remote construction industry. And before anything else, let me just introduce myself again. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel ko, I am Coach Cheryl and I've been in this remote construction industry for more than 11 years now. I've also been doing remote construction professional training for construction virtual assistant and US estimators for 2 years now. And proud to say, I have produced many CVAs na and estimators din na happy and successful with their respective projects and clients. Okay, so balik tayo sa tanong, how to become a US estimator. Okay, first of all, isipin natin na yes, we are construction professional. Meron tayong background sa construction, given yan. Okay? We've done estimates as well here in the Philippines since we are a construction professional. But not because you are a construction professional, alam mo na lahat. Not because you are working as an engineer or an architect here in the Philippines, pareho ang ginagawa natin sa ginagawa ng mga estimators sa US. I think that's the first thing that you need to know if you want to become a US estimator, because the construction system here in the Philippines is not the same as the construction system in US and Australia. And there are other factors like their culture, the materials for construction, the pricing, and even the process. So, bago ka mag-aspire na maging US estimator, dapat alam mo yung proseso ng pag-estimate sa US. Or if gusto mong maging Australian estimator, dapat alam mo din yung proseso ng pag-estimate sa Australia. Ang daming nagme-message sa akin na, Coach, I am an engineer. I'm a registered civil engineer. I am a registered architect. I have done QS rules, etc. Ang tanong, do you think you can do US estimates just like that with your background? Ano ba ang pagpaprocess? Ano ba ang proseso ng paggawa ng estimates dito sa Pilipinas? Ask yourself. Pareho ba ng proseso ang pag-estimate dito sa Pilipinas and sa US? If your answer is no, then definitely alam mo na yung susunod na sagot. Number 1, it's either you do a thorough research, mag-research ka, okay? You can do so many research about US construction, Australian construction, paano yung process ng estimates nila. Or, if you want things to be much easier and you have the funds, then you do upskilling or you do training. Back in the days when I was trying to get this role, how I wish na merong mga training na ino-offer kung saan man, so that it would be easier for me to learn how to do the process for US estimates and Australian estimates. Kaso wala. So I have to learn all by myself. So it took me a while before I really get to understand and learn the process of US estimates and Australian estimates. And guys, mind you before I decided and have the courage to do the training, it took me 9 years. Meaning, nag-ipon muna talaga ako ng kaalaman at ng experience before I speak out and before I share my knowledge. Just to make sure na hindi mamimislead yung mga tuturuan ko, and just to be sure na tamang information ang binibigay ko sa kanila. In US estimates or in US construction, we So, pag magte-training ka naman, iisipin mo, ay, magbabayad ako. But you know what? If you do training, it will not only get you the experience, but at the same time, it will give you the knowledge. Okay? Kasi sa training, hindi mo na kailangan magsobrang research. Tuturuan ka how things are done. Bakit? Kasi once na ma-hire ka as US estimator, they already expect that you know what to do as a US estimator. So there's no chance para mag-expect ka na ititrain ka pa nila on how to do US estimates. And syempre, pag nandun na tayo, we want to make sure that we make the best out of it, right? And we want to become stable and to work long-term with our client. So, ang pagiging US estimator, guys, please don't assume na porket ikaw ay licensed engineer, licensed architect here in the Philippines, alam mo na lahat. Okay? Please don't own that. Because tandaan mo, if you're applying for a remote job and for a different country, ibang proseso nila. Ibang culture nila. At iba ang standards nila. At very malayo sa standards natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, being said, with all those information I gave you, I think now you have the idea on how you can become a US estimator. Dalawa lang yan. It's either you do your own research or you do upskilling. Okay? And while I mentioned about the upskilling, I offer training for US estimators, and it's a core training. When I say core training, it's everything that you need to know about US construction, from the start to finish. So that's it. I hope na naliwanagan kayo sa question nyo on how to become a US estimator. Until next time.